Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we're here in Clear Lake on this major large-scale whole house renovation, and I wanted to show you some of the updates. So as you can see here in the befores, there was a wall here that separated the dining room from the kitchen, and there was a built-in on this side. We opened this up, installed the support beam, and this is really going to be a beautiful thing for this family. They love to entertain, so opening up the space is really amazing for them. We have started on some framing where we started a little bit on the pocket door. This is going to be the pantry. We worked on some of the framing where we are building them a large walk-in pantry. Using a little bit of their existing cabinetry that they already had in the kitchen, but we're going to be refacing the doors, doing some reconfigurations here on some of these cabinetry, and then this wall is going to have lots of open shelving for her. For all of her pantry items. As you can see here on the right, they did want to keep their existing refrigerator and oven, so that's going to be just kind of a backup for her for all the entertaining that she does for refrigeration and cooking. So speaking of the entertaining that they do, this here was an existing bar. Which we are redoing for them. And then we actually are adding an additional bar to this side here. To give them more countertop space, storage for bar glasses, and all of the items that they need for entertaining. This is going to be a really beautiful addition to the entertaining area, which is going to be the dining room and then into the living room. And I also want to then show you some of the progress that we made on the master bedroom and bathroom. So let's head over there.